This is the third part of this video in which we have already seen what is the lead code 93 and restore IP address, in which we are doing what we had given a string, right? And this is string. Let me change the color of this pen. Okay, so we have given the string s, and we were doing we are collecting the all the data, and we are checking if after the dot, if this the first segment is more than one value, right, one digit. So we have to, we are checking the index should not be have the 0, otherwise it is not a valid, right? Similarly, it should not have more than 255. If more than 3 characters we have, right, or is more than 2 characters, we can say 3 characters we have, so we have to check it should not be greater than 255. As well as we are also checking there should not be the combination of @ has and those things, right? So we have discussed already. Please go and see the first two part of this video. I'll recommend go to see the first part of the video so that you will understand in the deep dive. Okay, now coming to the JavaScript, we have this function. We have the function, right? This is given, so we will take a race, right? This is our response, and we'll take the backtrack function, in which we will start we'll pass our string, then starting index will pass, and then we'll take one empty temp, you can say, variable, and then we'll take a count. We will take dot count. Okay, and we'll check if a start equal to length, right? If the start is equal to length and dot count is 4, right? So if that is the case, then what we will do slice -1. We'll do slice temp slice will do -1, and we will remove one of them, right? And then we will push on to the what stack. Okay, so we can say uh, on the list, right? After that, what we will do after pushing to on the stack, what we will do here, we will check if the length of this given string is greater than equal to like a start of the a start index is greater than equal to the length, right? Means we are at the last index. So we will check, we will not do anything, we will return the control. If we have the control, if we have the count dot counts is more than 4, means this is not valid, right? Valid uh, IP, and so we will not do continue doing anything, right? After that, this is the flow of our program, in which we will see that we will start from the I equal to a start index, then we will do with I plus 3, and from there we will get our segment, right? And for each segment, what we will do, we'll check a string. We should not go, our index should not go to the last index, right? And we will get our substring, you can say, for the segment, and through we'll start and we'll do I plus 1. So each segment will come in the sub, and what we'll do, we'll check this sub, this segment we will check, and then we will do the backtrack again, and we'll get uh, another we can say segment, and we will connect each segment through dot right here. So we will pass again, like string we will pass. Then we have already completed the index, starting index. Now starting index will be I plus 1. Same, we will pass the temp, but we have to add our the first segment, and then we have to do dot, right? So after each dot we will calculate next segment, right? And so the dot count will increment, right? Similarly, this backtrack will do s0, and this, right, initial value will pass. And now what we will do, so these things we have already completed. Now we have this, we have already seen the first part of the video, but if you not gone through that, so you'll see that we are checking if the length of the first segment is greater than 1, so it should not have the 0 at the first index, right? Otherwise it will return false. If the if the segment is more than 255 of the IP address, so what will happen, it will return false. If both cases will not have that thing, so what will happen, we will check, we will return true, and we'll say the each segment is valid, right? And we are starting the backtracking from here, and we will store the what all the segment over the res, right, that result. So we are doing there here, we are pushing onto the stack, we can say, and each time we are doing -1 if we are doing slice, temp of slice, right, if the counter is equal to 0. Okay, So I think if you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box. And but I will recommend please go and see the first part of the video. And if you are a Java developer and you know the in Java, so we have another part of the video, second part of the video. So this is the third part of the video of the today question. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Please comment, subscribe, and like share this video.